instant win with the jackpots. Nice. Let's see if we can do anything with this. Alright. Instant win jackpots feature. So here's the big numbers up there. I don't think I've seen anything, really. Certainly no instant wins. There we go, now I need an instant win. Or, you know, one of the big ones. Alright, so, oh, I only win the one row. That's too bad, I thought I won everything. Winner, winner. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Alright, that was fun. Alright, didn't win back all my money for today, but won back a portion of it, so do a couple more spins and then come back if I hit anything on another machine. Alrighty, cool. Well, that was fun. That was Crazy Chickens. Stopped coins toad. See how we do here. Free games won. Alright, boy, this guy's looking like he's been ready to pop for forever, so hopefully it'll go off in the bonus. Alright, I didn't even think it could get any bigger. Kind of liking these feature in a feature. I need him to go off though. Alright, come on, let's do the respin. Get me all the way across this time. not gonna believe it if he doesn't pop by the time it's over. There we go. Come on, do it. Fill the board. Across, guys, and a respin. All the way across. All right, keep going. Free games, $58, and he hasn't popped. Come on, I'm gonna give him just 3 respins. All right, I tried, but he did not want to pop for me. All right, I go back to my bingo session. Okay, that looks different than before. Come on, fill the screen. Fill the screen. Does that mean I automatically get the mini? Fill the screen. Come on, fill the screen. Don't just give me 2. Give me, fill the screen. Come on. Come on, stop. Come on. Ah. So I didn't get the mini? I don't understand. I don't know what that means. Wow. That was exciting there for a moment until I only won $4. But
I want a feast.
You ate before you came to the factory.
I want a bean feast.
One of those.
3 buns
so I have
and
no idea if it's
nuts
going to be
and
good or not,
fruit
but
with no nuts,
it's
so
something.
good you could go nuts.
You're going to have all those things when you get home.
So let's see how we
No,
do.
now. I want a ball. I
This
want
spins
a
reset?
party.
No.
Veruca, sweetheart, I'm not
Come on,
a
Veruca.
magician.
All right, Phil, let's fill it in, Veruca.
Welcome. It's nice to have you here.
Last spin.
All I
Fill it in.
ask is a tall ship and a star to sail her by. The suspense is terrible. I hope it'll last.
Don't care how. I want it now. I want it now.
So I guess it could be good if you were lucky enough. All right, well, I'm gonna go play my bingo and then I'll be back. All right, here's the Angel Blade Kingdom of Ice. Originally I thought it was a Game of Thrones that I was sitting down at. But it's got one of those things where after 10 games, something happens. So this would be nice to get wilds. There's a whole bunch of the same symbol.
wilds awarded. Random wilds.
Well, that's a lot of hype for nothing. Alright, I'll be back if so then it goes back down. Alright, I'll play through the full 10 spins on this. See what happens. Alright. Coming up to the special spin.
Wild reels.
Two wild reels.
Random wilds awarded.
Wow, that's awful. Just gonna speed through this, see if anything happens.
Real expand. Super 10. Random wilds awarded. 2 times multiplier awarded.
Wow.
Super 10. Random wilds awarded. 2 times multiplier awarded. Real expand. Your next adventure awaits.
Alright, last try here.
Super 10. Wild reels.
First and third. First and third.
Random wilds awarded.
Wow, that's just awful. Alright, well, I guess I can get 10 more spins in.
Real expand.
Really don't feel like I'll be trying this game again.
Real expand. Real expand.
Alright, so this has a potential of being good, but
Drop zone.
so I don't know if that drop zone helps me or just gives me different possible items there. Alright, here we go. Here's our 10th spin.
Super
All or
10.
nothing.
Wild reel.
Second reel. Second. Yeah, that screwed me.
Random wilds awarded. 2 times multiplier awarded. Jackson. Super 10. Random wilds awarded. 2 times multiplier awarded.
Yeah. Angel Blade Kingdom of Ice. I don't think I'm gonna play. Fill it up. Come on, fill it up full screen. Give me a full screen. Full screen. Well, looks like it could be good. Alright, well, it's twice my last one was, but still nothing right home. I want it now, bonus. Have no idea what to do here. I'm hoping it's something better than that. Let's stop there. Only 2. Well, that was disappointing. I know I only have a 75-cent bet, but let's hope for a little more action, just to see it. So I'm gonna hope for a Veruca Salt bonus. I'll come back. That was fast. Stuffed coins toad. It just launched, went right into it. Didn't even give me a chance to pull up my phone. Alright, I'll come back with anything. Play a dragon spin game. Okay. 6 free games, alright. Let's see what this means. Nice looking dragon. Come on, let me spin again. Middle row. Middle, 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 middle. Really nice graphics, dude. Dragon Spin Crosslick Fire. Alright, cool. I won back some of the money I was screwed around with, and I can go back to play bingo.